During the buying process, you'll likely hear about different types of surveys that are available to you. But which one do you choose? Well, in this video, we're going to be going through 3 of the main types of surveys available to you. Hi, this is Sam at Rosehill Financial Services. If this is your first time watching, then do consider subscribing to the channel. We bring out useful content each week to help you in your buying journey. The 3 main types of surveys that we're going to be going over today are mortgage valuations, Homebuyer reports and full building surveys. So first off, mortgage valuations. As a general part of the mortgage application process, the mortgage lender will instruct what's known as a mortgage valuation or basic valuation. This type of valuation is for the lender to make sure that the property that you're buying is suitable for lending purposes in line with their criteria. Because at the end of the day, the mortgage that you take out is secured against the property that you'll be looking to buy. Now, this is a very basic valuation and it's for lenders' purposes only. In many cases, you will only receive a valuation figure and you won't receive a physical report on the property. In some instances, usually where the loan to value is lower, so the mortgage amount in relation to the property price is lower, lenders might choose to instruct an automated valuation, otherwise known as a desktop valuation. These valuations will use data held on the property to give an estimated valuation figure for the lender. As mortgage valuations are for lenders' purposes only and they are far from comprehensive, you may want to opt for a more in-depth survey. So the second survey we're going to be discussing today is a home buyer's report. Now, this isn't an intrusive report, so surveyors won't be lifting up floorboards or looking behind fixed furniture, but they will be looking out for any potential structural issues on the property or any potential defects. So this could be anything including subsidence and damp, for example. It'll also offer advice on maintenance and repairs and will point out anything that doesn't meet current building regulations. If there are any issues highlighted, then this may be a chance for you to go back to the seller and renegotiate the purchase price. These reports may also include estimated rebuild costs of the property in the event that it's destroyed. So say if there was a fire and the property couldn't be repaired. This is useful when you're looking at your building's insurance because you'll know what value to insure the building for. Now finally, we have the full building survey, which is the most in-depth survey that you can get. We find these surveys are more popular where you're buying a very old home, or if you're looking to carry out extensive works to the property, or even if the property is in a pretty poor condition. If you have any particular concerns about the property, then a full building survey might be for you. Now, this type of survey will cover everything that's covered in a home buyer's report, and it will also go into more depth. So this is where they would be looking under floorboards and so on. The surveyor can also include estimated costs of the repair works and recommendations on the timing for you to have this completed. Now, these 3 types of surveys discussed are in order of least expensive to most expensive. The price you'll usually pay for these surveys will be dependent on the property price. With mortgage valuations, some lenders do charge for this and then others do offer this for free. And some lenders may also allow you to upgrade to a more in-depth report as part of the mortgage application. Whether you opt for a more in-depth report, whether that be through the lender or privately, you still will have to have the mortgage valuation carried out. So this may be an additional cost to take into consideration. So let's hear from you. What type of survey will you be opting for? Do let me know in the comments. If you'd like any further information at all, please don't hesitate to leave us a comment or drop me a message personally and I will be happy to help. All links are included in the description of this video. Before I let you go, I must tell you that your home may be repossessed if you don't keep up repayments on your mortgage. Thanks again for watching and I look forward to bringing you more useful content next week. I will see you in the next one.